I'd like to show you the butane reaction. This is actually butane C4H10. It's used in lighters. If you can react it with the right amount of oxygen, it will combust and burn to form carbon dioxide and water. And these are reactions that we would normally balance in our classes. And because of the ratio of 1 to 13.5 here, what we can do is set up the reaction under ideal conditions under a small container. So the container I'm going to use here is a pop bottle. I'm going to cork it with this little cork here. It's got a hole at the bottom. I'm going to take a little butane that you can buy at a store. With this syringe, I'm going to measure things out. In chemistry and in science, we like to measure things. All right. So for this particular arrangement, we could calculate exactly how much we would need. About 22 milliliters of this butane. So let's get 22 milliliters. There we go. And I'm going to inject it inside this bottle. We now have the right amount of butane and oxygen. There's oxygen already in there in the form of air. About 21% of the air is oxygen. We're now going to ignite this oxygen. And the way I'm going to do that is I'm going to use this little barbecue starter. It gives a little spark when I fire it off. So we'll place this inside the container. And we are now ready to do the butane reaction in 3, 2, 1, fire. So you can see that 22 milliliters of butane has a fair amount of energy. And that is the butane reaction.